blinds are one of the finest and most serviceable options of a window treatment, and most importantly the one which is aesthetically pleasing, too. These blinds bring about a delightful exotic vibe to the interior space and are versatile enough to sink into all decor themes, both modern and classic. In addition to the aesthetic perks, wooden blinds do offer the most incredible performance in terms of functionality, and they are incredibly long-lasting, too. However, these blinds do ask for a considerate and more of an accurately conducted maintenance in order to retain their beautiful appearance as well as prevent them from going bad ahead of time. With that said, Wall Curtains has got you a precise and effective guide on how to care for your wooden blinds the right way and to make them last long. Besides, these handy tips and tricks will keep you from causing any damage to your wooden window blinds, in case you're a novice to dealing with this window treatment. So let's get to know about them. 1. Everyday addressing. Regular cleaning and maintenance involves dusting off the blinds with either a feather duster or a soft cloth, and most preferably with a microfiber cloth. As an alternative and more quicker method, you can also make use of a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery brush for doing the job. Do ensure closing the slats before you clean them so that they face you and lay flat against the window surface. 2. Deep cleanup. Start by making a cleaner solution for which you'll need to combine a few tablespoons of lemon oil or olive oil to around a bowl of warm water. Take a clean microfiber cloth, dip it in the cleaning solution, wring out the excess and gently go over all your blind slats in an end-to-end motion. Finish off by wiping the blind slats with another clean and dry cloth to clear all the cleaner residue. 3. Shine restoration. The most rapid and effective method for bringing back the shine and beauty of the wooden blinds is to make use of a conditioner or a cleaner meant for wooden surfaces. Besides, you can also make use of lemon oil for this purpose. 4. Cleaning kitchen blinds. Wooden blinds in kitchens or outdoor spaces tend to become more greasy as compared to those used in other living spaces. This asks for a rather different cleanup, so as to upkeep them. You can take the help from a basic vinegar solution, white vinegar plus water, and use it to clear the blinds of all the grease, dust and dirt buildup. 5. Cleaning blind cords. Blind cords, often known as ladders too, need to be addressed too, along with the slats. However, they cannot be cleaned by any cleaner, water or conditioner, and any such attempt will result in a major damage to the blind's working mechanism. So for cleaning these cords, you need to spray some shaving cream on a clean cloth and wipe the entire cord with it. This doesn't need to be removed or rinsed, and all you need to do is address the entire length thoroughly for effective outcomes.